Okay, everybody, so you are going to be creating your own tally chart which records how many of each type of drink you have consumed or you're going to consume today. So let me show you how to do this. You need to create 3 columns. And then you need to draw a horizontal line at the top here so that you can write your headings. You're going to put in 3 headings. The first heading will be drink. So that underneath you can list the different types of drinks that you're going to or that you might consume today. In the second column, you're going to put the heading tally. This is where you're going to be recording the tallies. And the third column will be frequency. So remember, frequency is another word for how much, how many, how often. So now what you need to do is list the different types of drinks that you might normally have in this in the drinks column. So you're going to list that down the side. So for example, something that I drink quite a lot of is water, especially when it's hot like today. So I'm going to put water in my column here. Another drink that I might be squash. So blackcurrant or orange squash I might put in there. Also, if I'm having a bit of a treat, I might drink some fizzy drinks. Sometimes I enjoy a glass of milk, so I'll put milk in there as well. You might be able to think of other different types of drinks that you might have. You can record that in your own tally charts. Now what we need to do is separate each of the items in our chart so that it's really, really clear which tallies are for which type of drink. So we're going to put in some lines in between each of these drinks. So as you can see, now I've created the sort of table for my tally charts. So now what I need to do is start tallying up every single time I have a drink and which type it is. So for example, I'm just about to go and get a glass of water. So when I get my glass of water, I am going to put a line in there because that's 1 glass of water that I've had today. If you know that you've already had a glass or a drink already today, you could put that in your tally chart. So for breakfast this morning, I had a glass of milk, so I might put a mark in there. Keep filling up your tally chart throughout the day. So keep it with you all day long. Every time you have a drink, put a mark in. So if I had another glass of water, I would put another tally in there. If I had a glass of lemonade, I might put it in there. And remember, if you get to 5 glasses, you are going to do your line like this. This means 5. This helps us when we're counting up the tallies, because if we see something like this, we know we can just count in 5s. When you have finished your tally chart, so let's say it's the end of the day, after dinner time, I'm going to just put in the frequency. So that means I need to count up how many tallies I've got. How many times did I have a glass of water? So if this was my tally chart at the end of the day, I would say I've had water 5 times. So I need to put that in here. 5. I've had squash 0 times. I've got no tallies. So the frequency, the amount of times I had a glass of squash was 0. How many fizzy times did I have a fizzy drink? 1. How many times did I have a glass of milk? 1. Once you've created your tally chart, you can use that to think to yourself, do I drink enough healthy drinks? So am I drinking too many fizzy drinks in one day? Should I really be trying to drink more water? Or, could I be drinking more milk to get more calcium in my body? So you need to use this tally chart now to think to yourself, am I drinking in a healthy way? Am I drinking enough, and am I drinking in a healthy way? You could find out how much you should be drinking in one day by looking on the internet and doing some research, and then you could write a comment in your learning journal underneath as to how healthy you think your drinking is in one day. Okay, good luck, dragonflies and butterflies. I can't wait to see your tally charts.